Hey, what is up everyone? Welcome back to our YouTube channel. So for today's video, I'm going to teach you how you can easily write off a bad debt in Xero. So just head over to go.xero.com and make sure that you're logged into your account. And in your account dashboard, just scroll down until you see invoices owed to you. Just click on this, and from here, you should be able to see the invoices section. You can choose a specific invoice or an existing invoice in which you add the bad debt, but you can also create one by clicking on this drop-down menu, then click on Credit Note. And from here, all you have to do is fill in the necessary details, starting with to whom we are going to assign the bad debt. We're just going to choose sample customer and also add in the date today. And in this section, we're just going to add the item. And in the account section, we're just going to change this to bad debt. You can also change the tax rate if applicable. Then once done, you have an option to save or approve. We're just going to save this. And that's it. You have now successfully write off a bad debt in Xero. So that's pretty much it. Thank you very much for watching this video. I hope that you find this video helpful. And if you do, please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to the channel. Now we'll see you again on the next one. Bye!